How to fix Viber activation failed. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store and search for the application Viber. Head over to this application. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue on Viber. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure that the number that you have entered is registered and correct. Well, but if it still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you want to do is head over to your settings, move into apps, tap on see all apps. Right here, search for the application Viber and head over to it. Move into storage and cache. You need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Viber, and you'll be good to go. But if you are still facing the issue, then you can simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing. So that's it, and these are some of the steps that you can try in order to fix the Viber activation failed. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us till the end.